5 time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1955 Chevrolet 210 Wagon Street Rod. I would say this looks awful close to Gypsy Red and Shoreline Beige in Tri-5 colors. You got kind of just that off-white, light beige, and then the Gypsy Red's got a little of that orange to it. Nice looking color combination, and was factory colors that were available back in 1955. A little different underneath the hood though. 454 big block underneath there, paired up with a Muncie 4-speed. Let you take a look at this 55 front end with the headlight surrounds, chrome bumper, the iconic grille, and of course hood emblems, Chevy logo. What a classic look. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see this car from every angle, inside and out, top to bottom, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing polished 5-spoke wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Take a look up and down the passenger side, and you're going to see some nice bright work. Not dinged, scratched, nicked. Looks good. Paint shows well on this vehicle. Tell it's not that old. Little paint protector around the door handles. Interior, nice setup on this also. A black and white color combination with kind of that Gypsy Red piping in the seats. There's that 4-speed shift on the floor. Some aftermarket gauges. We'll check out the driver's side here when we get around to start it up. Let you hear this one run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Should take a look at the rear of the car. The bumper again, the taillight surrounds, bright work, chrome. Again, paint and chrome does show well on this car, and you can see it in the still pictures. There's probably 80-90 pictures of this car online. Like I said, from every angle, top to bottom. They can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. First of all, look at how straight that car is, how nice that bright work lines up. Really set off by those polished aluminum or American Racing wheels. I like how the doors fit. Very nice restoration on this, more bright work up front. Alright, let's check out this interior. Classic street rod steering wheel. Why not have the foot pedal, gas pedal? And here you go on the door panels, where you have, again, the black, white, that Gypsy Red piping. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. Aftermarket radio in here. I have had that powered up. Did not get any sound as far as if they're speakers or not, but I want to let you know it does power up and work. Does not have sound. All right. There's that healthy 454 firing up. You're going to notice the noise of timing gears. Yes, that's the way it's supposed to sound. A little old school hot rod for you. Of course, this would be for being able to see a traffic light as you're coming up to it. Because you do have the visor up there, you'd be able to see the reflection. Set that up right, tell what color the traffic light is. Make sure that 4-speed Muncie is in neutral. Aftermarket gauges, I noticed the volt meter did not go up, but important one's oil pressure, temp, and fuel gauge does work up here, and of course the tach's working here. There you can hear the rumble coming out of that big block. Very healthy sounding. When we pop pop the hood, you're going to notice HEI ignition, appliance intake, headers, and again those timing gears. You can hear those. Edelbrock carb. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Let's check out that bad boy.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, nice looking engine compartment. Clean underneath the hood. Little chrome dress up on the top of the radiator. Sounding good. And yes, that is correct. Got any questions on it, check out Jackson timing gears. Different brands to them, but supposed to make that noise again. Kind of an old school street rodders engine modification, you will say. There you go, 1955 Chevrolet 210 Wagon street rodder, 454 underneath the hood with that 4-speed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call